Welcome back. Let us learn video series. Today we'll discuss center of triangle, that is centroid of a triangle. We will discuss one by one all the four centers of triangle. The definition is point of intersection of all medians. Center always lies inside the triangle. This we will verify by using this dynamic worksheet. And centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Now the coordinate of centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now I have used to prepare this video Windows 10 operating system, MS Office Home and Student version 2016, both are licensed version, free open source screen recorder software. Now let us start. Now let me show which type of worksheet we are going to prepare. This is centroid of a triangle and its properties. This is the definition and the properties. And whenever you push it or pull it, you see that the ratio of CD and GD is always 2:1. So and G always lies inside the triangle. So now let us see how we'll prepare this dynamic worksheet. Now open GeoGebra sheet and take geometry view. In option rounding off one decimal place to get better result, leveling of new point and front size as per your convenience. Now let us start. So first of all, we will introduce the topic, that is centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle. Now take a polygon ABC, any polygon ABC, and draw a polygon triangle ABC. Now first of all, we have to find out its midpoint, that is center. So simply take the point, and this is D, E, and the last one, that is F. Now the next one, what we have to do, we'll take a line segment and join AD. Take any two, you can take three also, all the three medians. Now find its intersecting points, click on BE and AD. Now this point, actually we have to show that this is G. So now change the name, this is G. Now come out of and push it, pull it, take any point, simply push it or pull it. You see that G always lies inside the triangle. Now we come to the text and write the property. Its definition: point of intersection of all medians is nothing but centroid. This is point of intersection of all medians. Now come to the next property, that center always lies inside the triangle. Center always lies inside the triangle. center always lies inside the triangle. Now what we have to do to verify that ratio, take a line segment, join again AG and GB. Measure its length A and G and G and D. Now rotate it, move it, and you see that G always lies inside the triangle and the ratio is 2:1. Now take a text and clear it. Now that is AZ is to GD, and from object take it as H, and the next one is I, and this is nothing but you see that this is 2:1. So whenever you can also verify for other median also. I have taken only one. Now whenever you push it, pull it, the ratio is always 2:1. For more, you can take it to leveling up to 2 decimal place. And also you can show that coordinate of Z, which is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So for this, now let me show one more thing, and that means this is a triangle. So take interior angles and click on point A in object property and in label name and value. Similarly, click on B, object property, name and value, and at C, object property, name and value. Here we will get the coordinates of, that is, this is the coordinate of A, this is the coordinate of B, this is the coordinate of C. So we can also verify coordinate of Z, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now once again click on G, name and value. Here you can verify it. Whenever you push it, pull it, coordinate will be changed, and in each case G is always x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. You can also change its size, color as per your convenience. Now, thank you.